Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got my second month of Scentaddict to share with you, and it arrives in a cardboard little envelope like that. This is it. I was expecting it to be in the box. In my first subscription, I received this box, so a little bit different to the cardboard box. And this is the little box that the perfume came in. And I just grabbed my atomizer. And I chose a pink atomizer. You can choose any colour you want. There's like about 10 different colours. So it's nice presentation in a little box like that. And the fact it came in a Scentaddict box. Bottom line, it doesn't really matter what it comes in. The main thing is the perfume. But I just wanted to show you what you get when you first subscribe. Scentaddict is a monthly perfume subscription created by the Fragrance Shop. Now the Fragrance Shop ships internationally. I've been trying to find out if they do the monthly subscription internationally as well, but as yet I haven't had any information back. But as soon as I hear anything, I'll let you know. The cost of the subscription is £12 a month, and that includes shipping. And you'll receive an 8ml perfume of your choice, which I'll show you what mine is in a little while. The aim of the subscription is for you to have a regular monthly supply of either your favourite perfume, so you could choose the same perfume every single month and pay £12 a month instead of paying for a full-size bottle maybe, or trying some new perfumes you've had your eye on, haven't tried before. With that subscription, you also receive a £12 voucher every month against full-size versions of the perfumes. When you create an account, you will see hundreds of perfumes available. Instead of like going through page after page after page, you are able to break it down. Favourite brands like Marc Jacobs, Tom Ford and things like that, and then it'll just bring up what they have available. They have literally got hundreds. I'm sure there's about 500 odd different perfumes for you to choose from. You'll also see that you'll have a calendar and you're able to choose whatever perfumes you want, and you can do so for the whole of the year. I've chosen perfumes up until June. I can do until my 12 months is up, and you can change any time. If you don't want to commit to a monthly subscription, you are able to choose your own perfume, which you'll receive in an atomizer for £18. So there's that option. I've had a look online for discount codes, and the only one I can find is for 20% off your second box, which I'll pop down below in my description, as well as links to the subscription and the Fragrance Shop website. You'll find it all listed down below with all my discount codes and offers for other websites and any giveaways I've got currently running. So I think that's it as far as information is concerned. If I've missed anything out, then please ask away down below. I have chosen, it's a very expensive one. It's Tom Ford Neroli Portofino, and oh my word, I love it. I absolutely love it. It's got written on the side there. It is such a gorgeous perfume. Oh my, I could smell it all day. I tried it yesterday. I received this yesterday. I couldn't resist. I had to sniff it straight away. It is pure neroli. I'm obsessed with neroli. This is gorgeous. Yeah. To buy the 50ml version of this perfume will cost me over £200. That's bonkers. That is bonkers. So getting it for £12 for 8ml, it's a bargain. And if I didn't have such curiosity into trying lots of different perfumes, then getting this every month instead of purchasing the full size, yeah, I'll be saving a lot of money. Oh, I just love it though. With my atomizer that I received free with my first box, then I can just pop that inside and put it in my handbag, take it away on holiday. Beautiful. If you have any recommendations of perfumes that I should try, then please let me know down below. I can't remember what I've chosen now for next month, but you'll see. You'll see. So thanks for watching. Please let me know if you subscribe, what you think of the subscription, and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.